Welcome back friends to our Chennai series, and guess what, today we are at India's longest and world's second longest beach, one of the major attractions if you are in Chennai, Marina Beach. This is the heart of Chennai friends, where you must visit if you are in the city. So we have visited this place. Soon after we reached to Chennai, after taking some rest, we came to Marina Beach, and stay back with us friends to see what are the activities, daytime picture of Chennai Beach you can see once you reach to Marina Beach friends.
Deki. Having fun? Look here, Joel.
How are you feeling?
Hey, চা বিক্রি হচ্ছে মা চা
Walking first time.
Joel. Come. Look here. Hold my hand. Hey. Are you having fun? শোনো ওইটা কিরম করছে মেয়েটা. Look at that girl.
Oops, and check out how this girl is showing rope walk here. Very scary, isn't it? But so much of balance is needed here. Well, my viewers can easily make out friends that Marina Beach is full of activity in the daytime hours and even in the evenings also, which we will show you in our upcoming series. Walking along these beaches during sunrise, sunset and even on the daytime is just a pleasant experience for all age groups.
So we are here at the Marina Beach, Chennai. And it's evening around 5:50 p.m. The weather is also very nice, not so humid, and you can see Jewel is coming behind. Hi Jewel.
Hi.
Say hello to the viewers.
Hi viewers. Hello viewers.
Come.
We are coming after a long time, I think, no? Sea beach, I think. When was
Yes.
the last time we have visited? Goa?
After Goa.
After Goa.
Yes.
That's in the year 2015, friends. That was the last time we have been to a beach. Quite a long time, right?
Yeah.
So the reason, because we are mountain person, basically we love to go to mountains, but even beaches are nice. You like beaches? You like
I
to
do.
visit? Yeah.
Especially in this kind of weather.
Yeah, evening time.
It's not at all
You can
humid.
avoid the heat also.
Yes.
And for Jewel, first time actually, she's very excited. Jewel, you are very excited to go to beach? Yeah. Wow, what you will do? You will touch water? Yeah. Oh, you are not scared? No. Alone, or you will go with Papa?
Hey, see, horse ride.
Okay, with Papa.
Okay.
But she's not scared, okay?
Yeah, we are not scared. We are adventurous people. Right?
I think water spending for Jewel is only desert. We have to.
Come. See, horse is coming. See there. Horse is going.
Okay, see the horse. First only Jewel announced she doesn't want to ride it. Nobody asked her.
You have to go that side.
In the evening, beach becomes a fair ground with numerous stalls selling artifacts, handcrafted showpiece, ethnic jewelry, food items. Children play games and can roam around here with a lot of fun. Going into the sea should be done only under expert guidances, friends, as the undercurrent here is strong. So flying kites, pony riding are also some of the popular activities on this beach.
Jewel! You want to come down?
This was my Jewel's first time visiting to a sea beach and first time meeting ocean, touching ocean, friends. Check out this memory. I'm sure when she grows up, she will cherish these memories to touch ocean by holding her parents' hand and enjoying it. Bit scared, some excited also at her heart, but definitely worth visiting once. We often visit mountains and not much visit sea beaches, friends, but I guess she is enjoying her too. Well, I have a question here for all my viewers. Jewel's reaction is very confusing here, friends. Check out here and you put your comment and tell me, was she scared? She was excited? She was enjoying it? She was having fun? Or she wanted to run away from here? Which one? Put your comments here. Check out her expressions here. Based on that, you need to give this comment. Those who are visiting us first time, friends, I welcome you all to join the channel by subscribing. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon notification. Here we travel as a family, 3 generations together. You get to see every new experiences that we share.
I think Jewel is scared. She is more interested to play with the sand than in the water. Eee, look at her. What is she doing? Chee.
Jewel, come. Hey, come here. Quickly. Are you having fun?
I am having
Yeah,
fun.
see,
I want to
see.
play in the beach.
No, this is sea. You are making your hand dirty. Hello. Come here.
Even the horse is having her share of fun here. So we are in our Chennai series, friends, where in all our upcoming videos you will get to see the places that we have visited.
It looks beautiful.
This weather is the perfect one.
Yeah, ideal.
For Chennai, usually it will be very hot. That's why we always avoid it. But it is nice now. Evening time,
Today it is really pleasure.
it's cloudy. Come to beach.
Quite pleasurable weather today.
It's nice. We are not sweating.